Everyone is talking about AI agents right now, but so many people are still only using AI to write emails or summarize notes. So, what if AI could actually manage business operations on your behalf? Well, that's exactly what ClickUp Super Agents are designed to do and do so well. Hey there, I'm Alex Knowles from automationhelpers.com, and our team has helped hundreds of businesses to automate their workflows and scale their operations. One thing we've learned along the way is that the real power of AI doesn't come from helping you with small tasks, but rather embedding it directly into how your business runs. And that's where ClickUp Super Agents comes in. Super agents are essentially AI teammates that live inside your ClickUp workspace. Instead of sitting in a separate chatbot, they can actually read your tasks, analyze your projects, generate documents, and even take action inside your workflows. So instead of constantly asking AI for help and using it like a chatbot, you can embed it in your workflows and use it like a member of your team. In this video, you are going to learn what ClickUp Super Agents actually are, how they work. I'll introduce you to some templates to get you started, and I'll walk through real use cases where businesses are using ClickUp Super Agents to get more done today. So let's break it down. What are ClickUp Super Agents? At a high level, a super agent is an AI agent that operates directly inside your ClickUp workspace. Unlike a traditional AI tool where you prompt and ask questions, ClickUp Super Agents have access to the context of your work and can actually step in and handle tasks on your behalf. Instead of sitting outside of your workflows and systems, these AI agents interact natively with your tasks, your projects, your documents, your conversations, your workflows, and the tools connected to your workspace. And because they have this context, super agents can understand what's happening across your work and take action when needed. And the key idea here is that each super agent might have a specific role. Much like members in your team, different super agents might have different types of work that they look after. Instead of manually coordinating all of these workflows yourself, super agents can step in and take the work off your plate, meaning that you have more time to focus on the more important aspects of your business. Every super agent is built around 5 core concepts: instructions, triggers, tools, knowledge, and memory. Firstly, instructions. You give the agent clear guidelines about its role, and these instructions define what the agent is responsible for. For example, you might create an agent to work as your personal assistant, helping out with your daily planning. So this agent could review your workspace and generate a daily briefing so you know exactly what needs your attention. And all of that is defined inside these instructions. The better your instructions, the better your agent will perform, including things like role, objective, capabilities, and scope. This helps the agent clearly understand the purpose and how it should operate. Next, we have triggers. Triggers answer a simple question. What kicks off your super agent? When does it begin working on your behalf? In other words, when should the agent run? You can message, mention, or assign an agent, but you also have the option to trigger an agent automatically through things like every morning at 8 a.m. to generate a daily briefing, or at the end of the week to generate a project summary, or when things happen in your workspace through automations like a status update or a task creation or completion. Triggers are what allows super agents to run automatically in the background, giving them the autonomy. Instead of waiting for you to prompt them and ask them to do something, well, once the trigger fires, the super agent begins doing its job and it's using the instructions that you gave it. Next, we have tools. Tools are what allow your super agent to take action inside your workspace. Because without tools, the agent could only summarize, provide information, make suggestions. But here's where it gets really interesting. Not only can you configure the tools your agent can access inside your ClickUp workspace, but you can also connect external tools and integrations. How nice. This means your super agent isn't just limited to working inside ClickUp. It can also interact with other tools your business relies on, allowing it to move work across systems and help coordinate entire workflows. Kudos, ClickUp. So for example, depending on the tools you give it, A super agent could create or update tasks, assign work to a team member, generate project documentation, but also send Slack messages, manage your calendar, and so much more. So instead of just telling you what should happen next, the agent will actually execute parts of your workflow for you. And that's what makes super agents so powerful. They're not just analyzing your work, they're actually running it. Next, we have knowledge, because the super agent clearly needs context to do its job. So the more context an agent has, the better it can understand your business and work on your behalf. And you can control exactly what information it has access to. You can define its knowledge using internal sources like tasks, projects, and documentation in your workspace, of course, as well as external sources connected to your system, your other tools, your tech stack. This allows your agent to work with specific information that matters to your specific workflows. Think processes again, while still keeping its access focused and controlled. Finally, we have memory. Now, memory allows your super agent to improve and evolve over time, using recent work it has completed, preferences or feedback you've given it, and patterns that help it perform its role better. This means that the agent doesn't just execute instructions, it can adapt, refine, and self-improve how it works based on your interactions. But enough about how ClickUp Super Agents work. Let's actually take a look at them in action. One of the easiest ways to get started with super agents is by using templates. ClickUp already provides a mammoth amount of pre-built agents that you can use as a starting point. These templates are designed around common workflows, things like project management, daily briefings, and approvals, plus many more. So instead of building everything from scratch, you can just simply start off with one of these templates and then customize the instructions, triggers, tools, and knowledge to match how you and your team works. You just need to select a template, which will open the super agent, and then you'll be prompted with follow-ups, allowing you to customize your super agent to suit your unique business needs. But because your business and your workflows are unique, let's actually take a look at building out your own super agent. The first example we will look at is the most common and something that most teams need: an executive assistant. The agent can review your entire workspace and generate a daily or weekly briefing. We can start with the template, but let's see the process of actually building a super agent from scratch. Now, you can access ClickUp Super Agents in plenty of places within a space in the top right, or of course from your side panel. We're going to select AI, and then we'll select New Super Agent, which is already selected by default. Let's remove this, and let's actually look at creating an executive assistant. Now, I'm probably sounding like a broken record because I have said this again and again. The response and the output you receive from your AI is only as good as the prompt you provided. That too works with AI agents. However, we don't need to get so granular in the prompt that we're providing, because we saw that we can actually update and customize this through our instructions. But you'll be able to see that we're going to have a conversation with ClickUp's Super Agent AI to help us actually build out the perfect super agent for our use case. So I am prompting it: you are an executive assistant. Your role is to help monitor work across the ClickUp workspace and provide clear summaries of priorities, risks, and important updates. So we're going to send this, and we can see ClickUp Super Agents starting to work its magic, thinking, it's building, it's reviewing, it's shaping our superhero, our super agent, and measuring the capabilities. And here we can see the conversation has begun. Got it. This will be an executive style workspace monitor. Which locations should this agent monitor? So here we're actually setting what it has access to. Monitor client delivery and sales, but also specifically the exact lists, monitor client delivery, project tracker, sales. Let's go with that third option so that I can specify the exact lists and any other focus areas. Now, here you could create an executive assistant for the entirety of your work. You could create one for a specific space. You could create one for a specific team member. The amazing thing about ClickUp Super Agents is that it understands you have unique needs. So it allows you to customize your AI agent to exactly what you need. And here we can see that we've received our response. So let's say, for instance, I just want a sales assistant. So I'm just going to say, use our sales space, and let's see the response that we get. And we've received again: should the agent monitor this list for sales? Yes. Use sales pipelines for sales. 100%. We'll see these options down below. Yes, use sales pipelines, but for client delivery, use this other list folder space. Only monitor sales. Let's say we're only going to monitor sales and use an executive assistant solely for our sales pipeline so that we understand the client journey from lead to close. Where should follow-up tasks go? So here it's asking create follow-ups directly in sales pipeline and always DM me summaries. Create follow-ups in a separate sales op list and DM me summaries. Use sale pipelines for follow-ups and post summaries in our main sales update channel. That's exactly what I want. I don't need follow-up tasks created. And within our sales space, we only currently have a sales pipeline list. Perfect. That's clear. Please send the link to your main sales updates location. And now it's asking me to provide the link, but I'm going to state it is our sales channel. Got it. You want summaries posted into your sales channel. To connect the agent to, I need the exact channel URL. Please paste the URL of that sales channel here so I can wire summaries. Now, the reason that it probably hasn't found the sales channel is I actually created it after I prompted this super agent, whereas usually it will be able to find within the workspace the channel and then direct it towards that. And here we can see that our workspace executive monitor agent is now live. We've got Marshmallow. Now you can update your profile pictures for the super agents at any time, as well as change the name. And we saw before the instructions, triggers, tools, knowledge, and of course you can set the memory here. To make sure that everything's working, let's run the agent and test it. So I prompted it, let's get started. I'm ready. I can monitor the sales pipeline and give you an executive style view of what matters most right now. Let's go with risks. And here we can see the response. Currently read, no stalled or overdue deals are showing in the sales pipeline right now based on a 7-day inactivity check. However, we want to jump back into the settings. At any time you want to edit your super agent, you can do that from the instructions here. Now we can also discuss directly. I need you to ensure that when you run, you are posting in our sales channel. Got it. I've saved the preference so that going forward, when the monitor runs sales reviews or generate sales digests, it will post the update in the sales channel as the primary destination while still acknowledging in thread when required. You can view or adjust this in my agent preferences. So let's actually jump into the sales channel and we'll close this and we'll mention the workspace executive monitor. Your looping in agent has access to public data. Let's send this off. Priority is advanced active. So it's actually taken all of the data from our sales pipeline and providing us with an overview. Notable wins, bright ads, urgent win closed. Retail flow, we've also got those mixed outcomes on other pipelines. So it's jumping directly into our workspace and bringing that information we want front and center. Now, at any time, if you want to configure or view your super agents, just jump into AI, select all super agents, and you'll see them there. Let's say, for instance, we want to jump into Marshmallow, which is the workspace executive monitor. We can edit it. We can run the agent and test. We can begin a conversation. Now, the great thing about ClickUp Super Agents is that we can have a conversation with the super agent itself, asking it to improve and customize it further. Rather than us having to rely on the instructions, triggers, tools, knowledge, and memory, we can begin a conversation stating, I want you to get access to my email to send out a briefing email at the beginning of each week with this same information on our sales pipeline. Okay, so we took a quick look at a simple example. Let's look at one more example for something a bit more in depth and one that is a perfect example for all teams that work cross-functionally. So we have our sales space and we have our client delivery. Our sales pipeline in sales and our projects and the work getting done in client delivery. Let's jump into AI and let's create a new super agent. This time I'm just going to paste the prompt. When a deal moves to close one, the agent reviews the deal information, reads the notes and requirements, generates a project handoff document, and creates delivery tasks for the team. And this is the biggest win for ClickUp Super Agents. No longer do you have to rely on manual work to move the needle of your business. Here we are building a ClickUp Super Agent that is going to take a one deal and turn it into deliverables and also assign that to our team members. Plus, we're going to get a project document that we can send to ourselves and to our client, giving us so much more free time to focus on the important parts of our work, actually providing the deliverables. So we prompted it and we've got a response. Nice, this is the perfect use case for an agent. It is. Kudos. So should the agent watch sales pipeline for deals moving to close one, or is there another deals CRM list it should use instead? Yes, watch our sales pipeline, because in our sales pipeline is where our leads come in and when they move through the customer journey of lead to active client closed. So we've replied. Let's see what we get back. And here we can see, great, the agent will now watch sales pipeline, where should the project handoff documents live? Do you want the agent to also post a short summary in a chat channel when a deal is closed or won? Yes, definitely. We want to notify our sales team. Great work. We have a new client. So here we've got the follow-ups, create a central client project handoffs doc and add a new page per deal, and also post a summary in our sales channel. Create a separate handoff doc per deal in the client delivery space and don't post anything in chat. Use a single central handoff doc with pages per deal. We're going to go that first follow-up. And here we have our deal handoff automation agent. So I will now monitor your sales pipeline for deals marked close one, generate handoff pages in client project handoffs, create delivery tasks in client delivery project tracker, and post updates in your sales chat. Would you like to adjust or refine anything about how it behaves, like task creation, doc format, or notification style? I'm sure you will want to, but for the sake of this video, let's say it looks good and keep it as it is. So let's touch on how this actually triggers. We can see the triggers here. We've got mention, direct message, and assign tasks. So if we were to jump into our sales pipeline and actually assign that closed one deal to our deal handoff automation agent, then things would trigger. But because we want to set up an automation, here we can see that we've done just that. Close one deal handoff. So let's edit this, and this will open up the automation setup so we can see trigger tasks or subtasks from 6 statuses to closed one. So whenever a client, a lead, a customer goes through our CRM, our sales pipeline, and the status changes to closed one, then we know that this action needs to take place. Run the closed one handoff workflow, basically do everything that we just asked it to do. So if we are to save that, we'll be able to jump into our sales pipeline. We'll see the chat message. We'll know that the document was generated and our deliverables, our tasks will have been created and assigned to our team members. And this is what is so exciting about ClickUp Super Agents, because they allow you to start thinking about your business in a different way, not just as a collection of tasks and projects, but as systems, workflows, and processes that run automatically on your behalf. And once you start thinking about ClickUp Super Agents in this way, the possibilities for a business to use AI in their workflows become much bigger than just AI in simple tasks. What this means is that your team spends far less time on administrative work and operational overheads, and more time focused on the things that actually move the needle for your business, delivering projects, solving problems, and producing results. Instead of constantly managing processes yourself and ensuring that your team follow the SOPs, you can start designing workflows where AI helps run the operational layer of your business. It's 2026 and AI agents are no longer just a concept. It's a part of how modern businesses are running their operations. Do you want to get stuck behind, or are you eager to learn more about how you can bring ClickUp Super Agents into your workflow? If you want to start building your own ClickUp Super Agents and automate real work inside your business, check out the link in the description below to learn more and get started today completely free.